In this lecture, I will discuss a very important and demanding topic, that is Kubernetes or Kubernetes. It is up to you how you pronounce it. So let's start. What is Kubernetes? It's an open source container orchestration tool which has been developed by Google. It is used for automating deployment, scaling, and management of containerized applications. It is also known as container management tool. No worries, I will discuss this topic with various examples. Why do we use Kubernetes? For production ready deployment of microservices and small applications. We'll understand about microservices as well. With the help of Kubernetes, you will have less failures and downtimes. It can be used for backup and restores. Kubernetes service provide load balancing and simplify container management on multiple hosts. In fact, Kubernetes is the fastest growing project in the history of open source software after Linux. Now let's understand this topic with an example here. Now look at this figure. There is a ship at the bottom which is having so many containers inside that. Your ship is trying to take those containers from one location to another location. You can also see one more icon at the top of your figure. So it looks like a steering of a ship, which is used to control the ship in a right direction. If it is a big ship, obviously there would be a captain who is going to control your ship with the help of this steering. So the captain is responsible for the safe journey of the ship in the sea. Captain is also responsible for carrying and delivering those containers or boxes safely to location where they can be used. So here, with the help of this steering, your captain is going to control the ship, and in the ship we have the containers. Now here your ship is your Docker. I have just taken an example of Docker. You can take other software as well, like your AWS Fargate, Amazon ECS. So there are so many softwares which is available in the market, can be used to create the containers. So the Docker is basically used to create the containers. So Docker is a software platform that allows you to build, test and deploy applications quickly. It creates an image of an application that you can deploy to other environment without any issues like dependencies, etc. So this is the feature of Docker that we are already aware. If you do not have much idea about the Docker, just read something about the Docker, at least know what is Docker and how we can create the Docker image. In the Docker image, it consists of libraries, system tools, code and runtime. You can easily deploy your container or image to another environment without any issue. Now here we understood with the help of Docker, we can create so many containers. Now we have the containers which is available on my ship. Now the question is how we are going to manage it. So to manage your containers, we have this technology that is your Kubernetes. So don't be confused with the Docker and Kubernetes. Docker is used to create the containers and Kubernetes is used to manage your containers. So that's why Kubernetes is also known as container management tool. We do have other softwares for managing your containers like Docker Swarm, but Kubernetes is having numerous features that we are going to understand in the upcoming lectures. So I hope with this diagram you can easily correlate what is Docker, what is Kubernetes. So that's all. We'll see you in the next lecture.